You record shit.
Okay. You ready?
Cinnamon challenge, people.
We
We got spoons. We got
in a
cups.
bag, a cup.
I only got a little bit of juice, so I'm not gonna hold
I
me
have
up.
more.
Bitch, you can give me some.
No.
Oh no, we got bags.
Got bags.
Me ain't got your bags.
Oh, one more person. Okay. What are you turning? Dang, girl. What are you doing? Let me pour yours. I don't want to do this.
Oh shit! Oh lord! Oh, it's a lot. I'm dead.
Hold on, I can't do this. Is my spoon bigger than yours? Oh my god, it is! Oh. Let's smell. Ah!
You better put that shit in the damn spoon. I know that.
Open the bag. It's still.
Oh, shit.
It's like spilling all over the place. Look at it.
Excuse me. It's just bless me. Alright, y'all ready?
Hold on. No, I'm not. I'm gonna get a drink real quick.
Me too. I'm scared. No, y'all dead ass? I'm scared.
Me too. Did
I have more than you.
No, you don't. Show it up. Show it up.
Don't I have more than her? Look at that.
Do you want me to put more in mine?
Fuck this shit, man. I'm scared.
I put too much. I put a lot.
Ah!
Yo, I can't do this, man. I can't.
Nah. Keep it on now.
Okay. Ready? Alright, is that better for you people? Like, is it? I think mine's larger now. You know, you need to add a little.
No,
bit.
I swear, bro. I got enough.
Look at
I
that.
swear. I have enough. Seriously. She a bitch. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Nah, fuck that shit. I'm scared.
I can't do this.
1.
Oh my god.
1. 1, 2, 3.
I can't do it. Alright, ready?
1, 2, 3. Ah!
You gonna leave me hanging, weren't you? You gonna leave me hanging. I'm gonna shove that down your throat, man.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, okay. Stop!
Oh shit!
I didn't do mine yet. Alright, Turner, you ready?